All right, all right. Welcome back, everybody. We are going to be building we had a trellis, a flower trellis or a pergola looking thing here many years ago, but one of the hurricanes blew it down. So we're gonna go and restore this area with like a brand new pergola. And in the process, as opposed to building new kind of vertical support, we're gonna have one over on this side, but for the back side, rather than building new ones, we're going to leverage off the existing concrete wall. And to do that, what we're doing is we're building like a little wooden attachment. This is a attachment that kind of bolts onto the um, existing pillar. And the idea being it gives us an extension to work off of, and we could work with wood as opposed to concrete. So that way it's easier to work with. Now this is a very simple design. These are 2 by 8 by, well, whatever length you want to get them in. These are 2 by 8s, and the side pieces are 2 by 4s. But we're probably going to change that to 2 by 6s. I don't know if you could tell from here. These concrete pillars have like a tapered end. It's almost like elevated, and we want to place like a little platform here. In order to do that, we're going to need a little more clearance on the side, so we'll probably replace these 2 by 4s with 2 by 6s, so there's more grab. And yeah, this is going to be the first of the many in this series. All right, thanks. Bye.